Remove the barrel shaft screws on both sides of the front wheel. Remove the barrel shaft. Remove the disc brake disc fixing screws in turn. Place the disc brake disc on the new wheel set and align the screw holes. Arrows facing forward, there are digital steel prints facing up. Tighten the fixing screws sequentially. Put in the front wheels. Align the front hub hole with the fork hole. Insert the barrel shaft. Tighten the screws at both ends. Loosen the rear wheel barrel axle screw, pull out the rear wheel barrel shaft. Remove the rear wheel. Loosen the flywheel fixing screws. Carefully remove the flywheel upwards without breaking up. Remove the disc brake disc fixing screws in turn. Remove the disc brake disc and replace it with a new rim. Tighten the fixing screws sequentially. Place the gear in the card slot and tighten the screws. Turn the meter forward to avoid touching the ground. Turn the ebike upside down. Place the rear wheel into the fork hub and align it with the fork hole. Insert back into the rear barrel shaft and tighten the screws.